Hi guys, it's me, Fox Browser 6. And today, you know when you play like Injustice 2 or Mortal Kombat X, when you reinstall it after you played the game and got the DLC characters. I already got my DLC characters right now, but the thing that has been really troubling me is that, as you can see here, it shows purchase, Jason, and everything else, but the thing that actually happened is that I installed them. I'll show you proof that I installed them. As you can see here, I'm gonna go do Jason Voorhees. I'm gonna put my passcode. And I think it will show this, which I already got him. It shows download. It made me very confused, but then I decided to do this. You go to Mortal Kombat X, manage games and add-ons, and this one caught my eye, ready to install and stuff like that. My ready to install is already gone. It's because I've been downloading them right now. As you can show, they're already installing all of the characters. Horror Pack, Jason Voorhees. This one got me. If you bought your characters, like DLC characters in games, and you reinstalled them and they did not show, and you tried to download them, in order for your DLC characters to be back online, all you have to do is just go to the Mortal Kombat X, press that. Right now I'm going back. All you have to do is just go to your game, press this button, and it will show you manage game and add-ons, and press that and it will show ready to install. And you put install on, and then it will be installing, like my Jason Voorhees and classic fatalities. The classic fatalities are cheap. The classic fatalities are actually free, and also the pack one. The Cold War Scorpion, he's free, but I did buy the others like Predator, Prey Pack, Tanya, Tremor, WB Games, which is the game itself. Well, actually, this one's the Cold War Scorpion, I think. Alien is now on. Leatherface, Bright Show, Tremor, and no, Tremor's not. This one's Triborg, Gorwo, and then the Vampire Pack. The Horror Pack. And it'll show they're installing right now. Like my Alien just came out. The weird thing is my Gorwo's not out. I'm just gonna go to his and put download, like it should be. I'm chewing 5 gum. It's the mint, refreshing mint. That's weird. It is super weird. Is my Goro even installed? It did show. Everything else, even Goro. What is this? Oh, I think that's the classic fatalities, yeah, it is. My Jason is up. That's weird. Maybe it's because I have to, oh, there it is. There's now Jason and Goro out, Alien, Leatherface. My characters are coming back. Goro, Shermer, and Tanya, they're installing. Boraicho and Triborg. Oh, and also, I got a new, thing. In order to pick Triborg, you press Triborg. You, up. Do this 2 times. It's gonna show question mark and then Y, or wait, does it work on A? No, it does not work on A. Press Y. It will show Triborg. Like usual. Up. You have to do fast. Y. Dang it. Do it over. Up. Y. Triborg is now shown. I'll show you the gamer. I'll show you what Triborg does in this game. Right now I'm installing, so I'm just gonna show the gameplay of Triborg and get up to play. Like that. Right now the game is loading. I think it's stuck. No, is it? Oh, okay. I'll put this cup away.
Get out of my face, loser. A premature assessment. Round 1.
Right now it shows ice ball, slide, air var, dive kick, ice bomb, and drone. Right now I'm just gonna do all of it. I forgot the controls in this game. What is the block again? I forgot. I am so confused. Okay, this one's block. How do I do the thing first try? Let me see again. Format the game just like. But anyways, I almost, if it could, well, almost got the second round. But anyways, it does show that the Predators installed and stuff like that. And anyways, I showed you how to install your DLCs and also how to unlock Triborg, the official, which is Cyber Sub-Zero actually. I think he's called Triborg is because he turns into 3 robots, and he's a robot. That seems like a good idea. That seems like a good thing actually. That's how you unlock Cyber Sub-Zero. Anyways, I hope you guys. I hope I see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and also give don't forget to smash that like button, and also put the notifications on so next time I make a video of tips or just stuff like that. And I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.